Hey, so today I'm going to be trying something that I've never done before, but going to do a little how-to on it as I figure out and go along, which is I'm going to be reupholstering these bar stools. As you can tell, we not too long ago got some cats and they've done a pretty good number on these. So these three tops need to be replaced. I'm going to go ahead and show you the step-by-step process of how to do that. So again, these are the tops, the seats that I'm going to be replacing. These come off just like this. You could see mine have 4 different screws that go in there. I already took this one off. Here's this backing, which doesn't look great, but I really don't care about how this looks so much. I'm just going to remove all these staples, remove the top, and put the new fabric on. Here's all the materials that I'm going to be using today. I already had this stapler and the staples here, so you could get those rather inexpensive. And the screwdriver, that's really just going to be for taking the staples out. I got this vinyl here at a local store that was actually closing up, so I got enough here to actually do all 3 bar stools, plus have extra to do a 4th or even 5th just in case I mess up. And I got this because they are going out of business. I got all this. As you can see, plenty of it here for 10 bucks. So for me today, fixing all this is going to cost me $10 versus going out and buying new stools. If you're not finding anything like such a great deal, it really isn't going to be that much more, I don't think. All right, just going to start removing these staples here. All right, I was trying to get these staples out and it wasn't working very well. Found a little trick, help you out. If you actually just go underneath the fabric like this, it kind of wiggles it out a little easier. So I'm going to follow that method all the way around. Okay, so far there's been way more staples than I was anticipating. One thing that I did want to point out on mine, it has this extra piece here, which if you could see right here, it just gives it this nice little extra look to it. So instead of trying to remake all this, I'm just going to save this piece since there was no damage done to it. Just a little bit longer getting all those staples out. And it's time for round 3. Okay, so got the top layer off. I'm going to keep the padding. I think the padding on mine is fine. It's time to put the new tops on. I'm just going to take this piece here, use it as a basic outline about the space I need to cut out, and then work from there. And staple it all the way around. All right, now that I got that all put on, it's all stapled up underneath. This piece that I took out, which is the edging, I'm just going to staple that on now. All right, stapled that edge and this bottom back on. I have a much better looking cushion now. All right, all I got to do is just screw this back on. There's the final looking project. Looks way better than they did before. So there you go. This is Lon, the Budget Wise Dad, coming to you. Another way to save money. Instead of going out and buying new stools, something, just reupholster it yourself. It's a little bit of work, but it's worth it in the end.